Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. In today's video, we will learn about tuples and sets in the Python programming language. Tuples, same as list, are used to store multiple items in a single variable. We can create a tuple by enclosing items in round brackets. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. We can access tuples by indexing similar to list. Indexes start with 0. As tuples are unchangeable, we cannot add or remove items from tuples. We can loop through a tuple with the for loop as shown. We can also join two tuples by using the plus operator. Now let's talk about sets. Sets are also used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and don't allow duplicate values. Although sets are unchangeable, we can add or remove items as needed. We cannot access set items by using index, although we can loop through them with the for loop. We can add an item in the set by using the add method. We can also add items from another iterable, which can be a list, a set, or a tuple in a set by using the update method. We can remove items from the set by using remove method. So this was some basic info about tuples and sets. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more such short learning videos.